Right here, barkeeper's friend. Gonna clean a cymbal. Let's do this. All right, here's the cymbal here. As you can see, a lot of fingerprints and really gritty stuff inside the grooves. Cannot take that stuff off with any standard cleaner. But I thought I'd check out barkeeper's friends because I heard such good things about it, and I'll show you how it works here. Gloves, warm water, rag. Okay, you're gonna get this wet first. Just like that. Barkeeper's friend. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Covering the whole thing. Take my rag here. I am not going to be going over the logos. I'm going to get close to them, but not really wipe over them because they will be removed. Probably going to fast forward through this part. Okay, gonna hose this off. All right, let's check it out. That's shiny. So obviously there's some areas around the logo I'm gonna go back over a little bit better. But come on, it's freaking ridiculous. All right guys, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want more content. Later.